This is gonna be a video that is gonna show you the best light ever for e-commerce website on model white background. Stay tuned. The video of today is another e-commerce website photo shoot with white background on model. It's going to be amazing, and the picture is going to go on Macy's website. So, but it's challenging because we are not going to shoot in a studio, so we don't have exactly a lot of space like in a studio. So I'm using a slightly small different setup. I want to show you, and I got incredible result, of course. I mean, and yeah, I want to share with you. Let me know what you think. This is going to be the main light, which is a silver parabolic umbrella I use a lot of time. Angle like this so that can lit the model kind of from the face upper body. Then I'm going to have this light, which is angled a little bit down, and I'm going to use to lit the bottom part of the body, but also it's going to help me for to make a whiter floor. Okay, because everything has to be white, typical e-commerce. This time, the idea is that basically I'm using these two lights to whiten totally the background. It's just bare bulb, strobing, putting there, shooting at 1.5 stops more than the model. And I'm not gonna, usually what I put there, it's an umbrella, because umbrella expand more the light, so it helps me the background more even. This time I don't have much room, so I'm experimenting with this idea. And I think it's gonna be a nice option, because I already did some tests, and I got this light that I like coming a little bit from the side of the face, which is lovely. So I'll show you the setup. The average lighting setup, it's around 16.5 stop there, and around 16.9 there, something like this, okay? The light on the model is gonna be f11. This one, actually I didn't check out. I'm gonna check now, I'm gonna tell you. I think it's this one, it's like f8 or f11 too. Yeah, f11. f11 even, so it's going to be almost even f11. Something that it's a little bit bothering me is that we're going to have this lighting from the ceiling, you see? This one, which is probably, I assume, kind of magenta light, and this one, which is maybe greenish. I mean, light that I don't like, but I figure out that if I shoot at ISO 100, f11, I don't get much into the picture. So then tomorrow I'm gonna see. Hopefully it's not gonna bother me too much for the white balance. But they are not very powerful, and while the strobe are kind of powerful, so basically I can overcome this light, which is kind of horrible. And I think that's the last one. I'm gonna put this black, and I have another blackboard there. So I'm gonna put another blackboard so that you can avoid bouncing light, because remember, that guy over there is making a lot of power light, and it's gonna bounce on the white floor and then bouncing back under the chin, which is something absolutely I don't want. So I may even bring maybe my black blank sheet. So I'm gonna put it there, a blanket. Lovely, yeah. My camera is going to be tethered to the computer, put in a tripod as always. I'm going to use different lens, probably 24-70, and then I'm going to use also the 105 and maybe even the zoom. I think it's going to work, and actually I kind of like the result that I got. So of course tomorrow with the model, which is going to be Julie, then I'm going to take another 5-6 minutes just to make sure the hair with the makeup and everything is going to be way better, because testing the light on me, it's like... That's our mother, Julie.
Hi there.
Yeah, we can all recognize you from your eyes. Yeah.
I also have a YouTube channel, by the way.
Oh, yeah, right.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, then you gotta tell me.
It's Russian, but...
Yeah, I know, it's written in Russian. But, so we are ready to go, and now we see this new setting, how it's gonna be. So get ready, honey. All the mistakes that I did, so you maybe not do. Okay. Okay. And then a couple just straight, full, yeah, like that. So we. Actually, go on the back more.
I guess it looks maybe more like a little mushroom.
Well, I hope this video gave you some hints, some new inspiration, and I was able to share something interesting for you. Let me know what's your thought, whatever idea. See you next time.